Annyeonghaseyo sa Akdo students.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay then. And who is not here? So we don't have Realin, Richel, and Loremel. So they were still at school. And we also have Joy Joy and Precious. Okay, so I gather you today. It is because you will gonna receive something for Dongjunim. Alright? So I have here headbands. So unfortunately, the boys is not included for the headbands. Lain sa kayo ang boys mag-headband. No. Mababayo tayo. And we also have the 28 pieces of mochi that will be shared for everybody. Okay? So we will gonna eat it right here. So I'll gonna give headbands. So this is for Joy Joy. Come here, Joy Joy. Wear it, please. Wear. Come here, Precious. This is for you. So, I'll gonna have the level 1 students. So, hold on. Okay, guys. Can you please show me your headbands? There you go. So, I still have 3 remaining, and this will be for Loremel, for Richel, and for Realin. Okay. So I need you to please wear your headbands right now. Please wear it. Suotan niyo mga headbands. Wear the headbands, please. So boys, kay wala mo yung headband, ana lang mo ana. Ana. Pogi style. Boys. Okay. Bi, atubang na diri, human na og suot. Kadugay ba nakasuot, oy, Bi? Joy Joy and Precious. Okay, so guys. Human na. Bi, sige na, biwanay, magbarog-barog, please. Okay. So, that headband is from Dongjunim. Kamsahamnida, Dongjunim, for our headbands. Okay, so sa Akdo students, aside from the headbands that you receive from Dongjunim also gave us mochi. There you go. So this is 28 pieces. So I did not calculate it yet kung pila man ninyo makaon, pero let's share the mochi. So mukaon ta diri. All right? Then I'll gonna have the spare from the 3 students who is not here. So I'll gonna include Joy Joy and Precious with the mochi. So arita mangaon walay bring house. All right? Okay. Okay, so you already received the mochi, and again that is from Dongjunim. Kamsahamnida. Sige, you can share na the mochi. How does it taste?
Yummy.
It's like a rice cake, right? Do you still remember the mochi supposedly soft and sticky? But this time around, this is not soft and sticky. It's like a rice cake. Or sa Binisaya, paputo. Gagi palamanan og chocolate. Pero what mochi do you prefer? Katong sticky and soft or kana siya nga kuan, rice cake? Katong soft and sticky? Ah, okay. Pero so good kay kuan ra. Good ra. Delicious. Okay. Again tabi dong Junim kamsahamnida. Kamsahamnida. So I still have remaining right here, so we will gonna share it together, all right?